Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I'm RK. In this video, let's see how to use regex in Linux commands. Regex are regular expressions. We can use this in searching a pattern of text or a string to get exact result that we need. Now let's see how to use regex in grep command. This is the content that we are using in this video. This is stored in the file.txt. Let's start with simple search. I am searching for purchase in file.txt. Here you can see we have 4 purchase S. Instead of searching for only purchase, I need to search with an extension like db. Here it displayed only one result. But instead of just checking for purchase.db, I also need to check if there is any file with name of purchase and an extra name and .db like purchase2.db. Let's search for that. Here you need to add an extra dot. Here you can see purchase.2 is displayed. Here this extra dot is for 2. Let's search for RK. Here we got 3 result, but there are 5 result with name RK. Because here grep is case sensitive, so it only searching for lowercase rk, but these two rks are in uppercase, so we need to ignore case sensitive. For that we can use -i. Here it displays 5rk. Instead of searching for rk in any place, I need to only search where the rk is at the end. For that we can use $sign. Let's put this in the single quotes. Here you can see 3 rks are displayed, but the 2 of them are ignored. And like this, instead of searching at the end, we can search at the beginning. Let's remove the $sign and use the caret. Here it displayed only 1. And we can use both commands at the same time by using both symbols. Here nothing is displayed because there is no RK like that. And instead of making everything as case sensitive, we can only make one character as case sensitive. Let's remove this I flag. In single quotes, in square bracket, R lowercase and R uppercase. Close the square brackets and the single quotes. Here only the R is not case sensitive, but the K is still case sensitive. We can also make it as non-case sensitive with the same method. Here you can see that. And here we searched for purchase.db using normal grep command. Let's search for only purchase and if there are any numbers after the name purchase. Grep in single quotes purchase in square bracket 0 to 9. Close the square bracket and single quote and file.txt. Purchase 2.db and purchase 32.db. Only numbers as range. We can use alphabets also like range. Grep in single quotes, square brackets, lowercase a to z and uppercase a to z. Close the square bracket and k. Close the single quotes and file.txt. Here it displays everything which has k at the back. And if we need to search for all the uppercases in a file, we can use an flag upper like grep in single quotes, open double square brackets, colon, upper, colon, and close the double square, single quotes, file.txt. Here it displays the strings that are only with uppercase. And here we searched for purchase and with any numbers, we can ignore purchase with any numbers. Use the same command again with caret sign. Here you can see purchase 2 and purchase 32 is ignored. Here we searched for text and numbers. In my file there is also IP addresses. What we can do if I need to display only IP addresses? Grep uppercase E flag in square bracket 0 to 9 and close the square bracket and in braces 1, 3. And here you can see after ending 3 numbers there is a dot. So we need to use a dot here, but if we just use a dot, it will be taken as any command, so we need to use slash in front of that, so it will be taken as only dot. And repeat the same thing again 4 times. IP addresses have 4 parts and maximum of 3 digits, so here I am checking for 3 digits. Close the single quotes and file name is file.txt. Here it displays both IP address. So that's it guys. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear it. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.